Welcome my friends, I am Sreekrishnan. In this video we will see how I entered the TRENT stock at the right time. Currently I am at like around 30% ROI. I haven't exited the trade, I am still holding it. This entry is based on a simple price action pattern, not with some fancy indicators or anything. So let's open TRENT stock and see how you could have made the same entry by learning the strategies that I will be sharing with you. So next time if you found a similar chart pattern like this on some other stocks, you will exactly know when to enter.
Alright guys, so the first thing before analyzing the chart, always zoom out the chart a little bit. Right, so this will give you a clear picture on what is happening with the stock. So the more you zoom out, it gives more stories, but we don't need the entire story. We just need the recent story. I entered here at this price range at this level. So what I will do, I will use this reply bar to go back to that time. Right, so here if you see, just take a like 10-second time and see what pattern are you seeing. Right, so if you were in this situation, based on what pattern you will be taking the trade. Right, so here if you see, the reason for the entry is pretty simple. So all I looked for is here if you see, right. So here the stock is trading inside this pattern, and most of you guys must be knowing what this pattern is. It's called channel pattern, right? So in channel pattern, what usually happens is that the price will be ranging in the channel. So these two lines, it's called channel, right? So this price is ranging in this channel for a for like around 185 days, and finally what happens, the price breaks out, it's coming out from the channel, right? I will zoom in a little bit so that you can see it clearly, and I will remove the drawings. Right, so here if you see, the price is breaking out from this range or from this channel, and I entered on the next day. And after the entry, if you see, I am currently at 28, it's like nearly like 30% ROI. So I have recorded the screen also, you can see. So currently it's like around 30% ROI since our entry. So this is the pure reason why I entered this trade, and that is because of channel pattern. So there are two types of channel pattern. One, it will be forming like this. The price will be falling down and it will be like breaking out, and we will be taking the trade. So this is called falling channel, and this is called rising channel. So during the uptrend, even like in the uptrend, it will makes new high, right? So for example, here if you see, at this time the stock is at higher than the previous high, right? And at this time if you see, this high is higher than this high, and here if you see, this high is higher than this high. So during the uptrend, what happens, the stock will be moving like this, right? So this high is higher than this high is higher than this high. So it's like breakout, right? So it's breaking out to a new territories. So this is the reason for the entry, right? So I will again clear all the drawings, and I will again draw the channel. Right, so let's discuss about the stop loss. So initially at this level where we can keep the stop loss, we can keep the stop loss at the immediate swing low, right, at this level, or we can also keep the stop loss at the channel line. So right, so this is the channel line, we can keep the stop loss here. So this is one way of doing it, and another way is we can use this 200 EMA as our stop loss. Right, so this will be like dynamic stop loss. So when the price moves up, the EMA line will be also moving up. So we can use the EMA line as our stop loss like as well, or we can use the immediate swing low as our stop loss. So don't keep the stop loss exactly at the level, just keep it like few points below. So these are the two methods or two ways we can keep the stop loss. Currently, if you see, since our entry, it's giving like around 30 percentage ROI. So let's see how it goes. So I haven't exited the stock, I'm still holding it. So I will be exiting when the stocks when the script turns down, and if it's like about to hit the 200 EMA, I will be exiting the stock. But till so I want to know the maximum potential it can perform. Either way, like I will not be entering only on trend stock, I will be entering in many stocks based on the stock selection method. So like this, each entry, each stock will be having one story, right? So I'll be posting those stocks and their story and the reason behind the trades as well. So for a trend, this is the reason for the entry. So that is the channel breakout. So here if you see, the stock is giving us nearly 1:2 risk reward ratio. If someone is following risk reward ratio for exit criteria, like they can exit the trade at 1:2 risk reward ratio, or they can book half quantity at 1:2 and leave the remaining. And currently at the time of recording, it's giving me like around 30% ROI, which is more than a satisfactory result. So let's see how it performs in the coming days.
Alright guys, so if you see, it's not about stock selection. It's about selecting the right stock at the right time. In the coming videos, I'll be explaining you how I select stocks for my personal swing trades, and most importantly, what is the logic behind the entry. Once you know the logic, or once you have a proper plan before taking the trade, then during the live market, we will not be panicking at all, because we know when to exit at profit, we know when to exit at loss. And once we understand the pattern and how to take trades based on that pattern, next time if you see a similar chart pattern like this on some other stocks, it will be much easier for you to take the trade and make some good amount of money. So if you are currently doing swing trading, or if you're just getting started in the segment of swing trading, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, because I personally do swing trades, and if you're also trading in the same segment, then we are on the same path, right? So that's it guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye.